Right, traders, I'm recording a trade because I just entered a second entry short because the downtrend is new low. Now, the problem is you can see how this bar closed quite close to these lows. This is why I'm using very deep limit order, decreasing the risk because I cannot really sell at the very bottom like this. The spike down needs to get new extreme tested, and this is the new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short. It's also a new high, first entry long, second entry long failure. So for this reason, I'm taking this second entry short. So because this is double high probability setup, not just a second entry short, but also first entry long, second entry long failure, I'm risking it to get a new low for this downtrend. Alright traders, I'm going to trail the runner to around 6 points, 6.25 points. And our stop is either going to get taken out or we can get the runner, but our stop got filled. 6.25 points on the runner. So it was a great trade overall. Once again, using pure price action. So this is the structure for today. We didn't have much movement because of course it's a holiday price action. We ended up having great high probability setup right at the very beginning. So this was the only trade I took. It's great to take this one great setup early and be done. That is what is great about trading. You don't have to sit here the whole day. You can take your 1 or 2 trades and be done. Enjoy the time with your family. This is why we want to be traders, mainly to have enough free time to enjoy our lives. The downtrend played out. We are in a trend range, so I'm not expecting any broader channel. There is a high low, but I didn't take this high low simply because it feels so far up. The body is so far from the EMA. Massive tail here. So I wanted to see something closer to the EMA. It still survived by 1 tick because we keep our stop loss 1 tick below signal bar. Then there's a failed second entry short. You have to use this bullish bar. I mean, I can mark this failed second entry short. It's not terrible. It's just that it didn't form that clean. Breaking new high. Then we have to be patient because there is absolutely no direction. Everything played out. So we always want to take a setup once there is new structure established. Pretty much a new trend in this slow price action. Downtrend working lower. So once again, we expect new low for the downtrend. So I'm looking for second entry short. We have 2 great trades. We have a second entry short here. A new high because it's the highest high of the pullback to the EMA. First entry long, second entry long failure. But both of these signal bars are terrible. The second entry short is a bullish doji. And here we have doji inside bar. I really wanted to pull trigger on either one of those, but I simply had no great bar. If you have some slightly better bars on your chart, you can make a case for going short because EMA keeps holding 3 times, downtrend is new low, exactly as you expect into price action rules. Just the signal bars were weak. 2 legs down, so you're not thinking about selling. Back into trade knife, but I don't see no good trade. Then you have push above EMA, only high low. I really feel like we need a reversal pattern. We're going quite sideways. Breaking new high, but at this point it's too sideways. You can't take anything here. It's just too messy. So yeah, few decent high probability setups even on such a slow day like this. I took only 1 trade like this. Double high probability setup doesn't get any easier. But overall, nothing much to trade because most traders are taking the day off because they want to have extended weekend. But I hope you find the trade example educational, helpful, and I hope you're enjoying holidays. So good luck with your trading.